Ndivyo hali ilivyokuwa mapema hii leo katika majengo ya bunge ya kaunti ya Bungoma.
Medical equipment for Cheptani Sub-County Hospital 11,463,801. Kamati nzima ya bajeti ya mwaka wa 2025-2026 ikisomwa na kuwasilishwa na waziri wa fedha katika kaunti ya Bungoma Crispinus Barasa.
Today was the 30th April 2025, which is the deadline for submission of the budget as per the law. So the standing orders of County Assembly also prescribe that I need to present physically to County Assembly, and therefore fulfilled that legal requirement that the budget is presented. Generally, we have tried to balance the resource envelope. More specifically, we are more interested with the issues to do with the payment of pending bills, which has been there, and we have prioritized them in terms of ensuring that in the next 2026-2027, we have cleared. That is the strategy we have, but we don't want to create any other pending bills. That's why we are saying we project realistic revenue.
Waziri Barasa kwenye mazungumzo yake na waandishi wa habari kwenye majengo ya bunge ameelezea kuwa kama kaunti wameweka mikakati imara itakayowafiki wakazi pasi na tatizo lolote.
The best is the public to ensure they have paid their taxes, but we are also informing those who are collecting taxes that they should collect tax with a civilized approach. We don't want to harass any taxpayer outside there. If the taxpayer is not ready to pay today, you make a commitment. That's the best approach, because you need that taxpayer tomorrow. We need each other tomorrow. So the best approach is let us work as a family.
Akitilia mkazo swala hilo, waziri amewataka maafisa wanaotoza ushuru kuwa na utu wanapotafuta ushuru ule kwa wakazi wa Bungoma na kufanya zoezi hilo kwa utaratibu bila ya kumnyanyasa mfanyabiashara yote, kwa kuwa kesho yake mfanyabiashara huyo atahitajika na kwa hivyo asidhulumiwe kwa utozaji wa ushuru.
Currently, as we are talking, we have set several teams are outside there. We have a special team, I think, which is reports to the Chief Officer Finance Direct, and you could have felt them outside there. They might have come very rough, but we are telling them, no, it's not a rough game. It's a question of paying taxes. That team is there. We will not issue the license, the single business permit, unless you have cleared the land rent, because that is the highest revenue source we have, and the majority of them are defaulting. So that is a strategy we want to have next year, so that if you are having a business in a premise that has not paid land rates, the owner must pay first.
Sani Matano, Mpakani TV, kwenye majengo ya bunge, eneo bunge la Kandui, kaunti ya Bungoma.